Hey, this is Erik Hitzelberger, the Vice President of KREIA, and we are getting ready for our Saturday session on building wealth with rental properties. And I'm with Clay Smith and Mike Butler. We spoke on Thursday night, and now we're going to speak again. I'll go into a lot more depth on Saturday. And on Saturday, I'm going to go into numbers that you may never have seen before on why exactly your 401k is not working, why brokerage accounts don't work, and why rental real estate is the key to true wealth and to building a lifestyle and building a legacy for your family. And so I'll go over all of that and how to set goals and how to start achieving those goals. And then Clay is going to come and he's going to go into some detail about how to get the properties ready, how to start finding some money. And then Mike will talk about how to train your tenants and how to operationalize your business. So I will also cover just real briefly how you can do this completely passively with none of your own time involved if you want to take that tact. And then Mike and Clay can talk about how to be an active investor and how to probably make a little bit more money by doing it yourself. So Clay, if you want to go into a little more detail about what you're going to cover, I'm sure they'd appreciate it.